Here's an old vinyl double window that we're replacing today. It's way more energy efficient, the new ones, than this old one. The frame's a lot thinner, the panes of glass are a lot thinner, and the new ones are way more energy efficient. It'll save you a lot of money on your energy bills, and it'll make your house much more comfortable winter and summer. To replace this old patio door, it's not properly opening and closing anymore. It's 6 foot wide, but the refrigerator's here, so we're gonna put a 5-foot door in, frame it in, match the siding, insulate it on the inside, drywall it, trim it out, and it'll be beautiful. And then this way, they'll be able to properly open and close that door. That's when you know your door is done. Time to replace it. Here's a quick way to tell if your windows are costing you money. A lot of it has to do with the seals, the panes of glass, are they starting to discolor? And from the inside, you can usually feel a draft. And this is things that telling you it's time to replace these windows with more high energy efficient windows. And this way it'll save you money on your energy bills and you'll be much more comfortable in your house.